the straight-edged utility knife, also known as the petit chef's knife. Yeah, I speak French. This is about 4 to 6 inches. It's got a nice straight edge. So I really love this knife because it cuts almost anything. You're actually gonna find yourself grabbing this knife quite often. Let me show you a few really great common cuts. I like it a lot for prepping potatoes. So if I'm going to take this potato in half, and if I'm just dicing potatoes, really simple. And it actually will do a lot more work than you think for its size. So dicing potatoes, really great. In the world of fruit as well, this is my favorite knife to actually peel a mango. And I could either churn peel and get a really nice kind of long skin from this, if you're comfortable. And if you're not so comfortable doing this, here, let me terminate that peel. You can do the pulling peel. Just grab the knife and pull down towards the end of it. So this is how I like to cut mango for the kids, right? So I will actually take kind of a cheek of the mango, hugging the seed, and then I'll actually apply slices down. And that way I get a really nice kind of shingle. But this is that perfect knife for apples, plums, peaches. Another great use for this knife is cutting herbs. I'm gonna show you a really quick chiffonade. So I'll take a few basil leaves and I'll lay them on top of each other. I'll take them and I'll roll them into this little cylindrical parcel. And then I'm going to now use the French rocking technique, really tight slicing. And this is a classic chiffonade that's used in a ton of different applications. This is also great for just general chopping and mincing of herbs. So there you go. Another great use for this is deveining or peeling shrimp. I want you to choke way up with the pinch grip on the utility knife and let the sharp knife do the work. I'm gonna go in about 1/3 to halfway through. And what you're gonna see is you open that up and you're like, hey, that was clean. No, it wasn't. This knife was so sharp, it grabbed the inside right there. So I'll just do 1 or 2 more really quickly. Just let the sharpness of this knife do its job. And you're gonna see that the vein pulls right out perfectly. And now that's ready to do whatever you want with it on the stove. For more information on the straight edge utility knife, please check out the link in the bio. Like, subscribe, comment, tell us how we're doing, and we'll see you next time.